I, Linda Q. Smith,
do solemnly swear
do solemnly swear
that I will support the Constitution of the United States
that I will support the Constitution of the United States
and the Constitution of the Commonwealth of Virginia,
and the Constitution of the Commonwealth of Virginia.
Here we are with a sidewalk project. Bit by bit, Tyson's is becoming a walkable place.
A lot of districts had turf fields. When I took office, Providence had none. I've been doing it all long enough, 20 years now, that I've seen things go from community discussion to actual plan text in the comprehensive plan, to developers coming in with proposals to build, to actually construction, and seeing things happen, from nothing to something, and seeing again that we, through a public process, can actually make that kind of thing happen.
Thank you, Madam Chairman. This looks like it's going to be my last Tyson's case. I've been working on Tyson's for 20 years now. So, I'm willing to go along with the 600-foot building, but only because it represents something greater than height. It's where that design needs to go in Tyson's. We're no longer suburbia. We're going into the future with this.